factory farms are filled with urine, feces, and dead animal. So I think it cannot be healthy at all. We need to do everything we can to change this system. According to humane society, I think like 99% of farm animals live in factory farms, and where they're in extremely, bad situation. First of all, if you eat meat, chances are it comes from one of those factory farms. Keeping animals in, close confinement with blood, feces, and other filth around creatures conditions that can cause viral outbreaks. It could be even like a next pandemic. We know how like the coronavirus pandemic came from the wet markets in China, H1N1 swine flu. It came from hog farms in the US. Like I said again, system needs to change, and change cannot wait anymore because it affects people's health. 3 times a day you get to vote for what kind of world you want to live. I mean, I'm from Middle East, right? And I remember growing up, with my family, we used to eat meat 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. But this is for not just for you, but for our planet.